Hello everyone, hope you all are great. Today we are going to learn new topic, that is use of a and the, which is called articles. Children, you would have learnt this in your previous class, but today we will learn something more about articles. So let's begin. As we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet from A to Z. Children, these red color letters like A, E, I, O, U. These five red color letters are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining letters like black color letters B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are 21 and these are called consonants. Alright. So 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Now we'll see the usage of vowels and consonants in articles. What are articles? Articles are used before the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Alright. So these three articles a and the and a and both used for the singular. Right. And the used for singular as well as plural. Alright. Just see. Both a and an are used when there is a single person, place or thing. So it is used before the name of a singular person, place or a thing. For example, a unicorn, a uniform, an honest person. Alright. So now the usage of a. Article A. Article A is used before nouns that begin with consonants, consonant sounds. Alright. You will go with a consonant sound like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These red color letters are consonant. So article A before words, before nouns that begin with the consonant sound. For example, a bus. Here you can see this word is starting with the consonant sound, that is bus. B. B says B. Bus. A cow. Word is starting with consonant sound. C says k. Cow. Then a girl. G. A deer. A zoo. Alright. Article an. We use an before words that begin with the vowel sound. Alright. Example. An umbrella. Children, here this is vowel letter U. Here U is giving the sound of a. Umbrella. So whenever you will give the sound of y, then we will use a, like a uniform, a unicorn. Here U is giving sound of a. So whenever you will make the sound of a, then we will use an before the word. So an umbrella, an orange, an apple, an egg and an ice cream. The next is article the. Article the can be used before singular as well as plural nouns, as both the articles like a and an used before singular noun, and article the can be used before singular as well as plural, like the red flowers in the garden are looking beautiful, or you can say the books, plural noun. Alright. Now we'll see the another usage of are. We use the with the things which are one of their kind, means which are only one in number, or the is used before the names of rivers, mountains, oceans, books, etc. See, just have a look. The sun, the moon. There is only one sun and there is only one moon in this universe. The Taj Mahal, the Ganga. All right. As we know, the is used before the names of rivers, mountains, books, etc. There is one more usage of the. Just let us see. We use the with the noun that we have already spoken about once. Children, when we talk about the same noun for the second time in a sentence, there we use the. Just to see example. I saw a black car. It could be any black car. I saw a black car. Then the car was empty. So here we are. I saw black car. Car is noun. So once again we are talking about the same car. Means the same noun we are talking about. Like second time we are talking about the same noun. So here we have written I saw a black car. Then the second time we have written the car was empty. Alright. So here we use the. The next example. I have a ball. The ball is red in color. See, I have a ball. It could be any ball. I have a ball. But in the second sentence, the ball is red in color. See, now we are talking about the same ball, means the second time we are talking about the same noun. Ball is noun. So once again we are talking about the same ball. Here we are referring to this particular ball. This ball means the ball is red in color. So in this condition we use the. All right. So let's take a quick recap of usage of the. So number one is use the when the same noun is used again. I saw a boy. The boy was crying. So whenever we refer to a noun for the second time, right? I saw a boy. The boy was crying. There we use the before it. All right, because here we are referring the same noun. I saw a boy. The boy was crying. The second one is use the with a noun which is one of its kind, like the sun is shining brightly. Third one is use the before the names of river, famous books and famous buildings. Like we'll go to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Alright. So now open your English notebook. Now you will write all the rules related to articles in English notebook. Give the heading articles, write today's date, day and classwork. So you have to write all the rules. These are 3 pages, children. Alright. So you have to do in your English notebook. These 3 pages you have to complete it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.